Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this channel we provide the in-depth knowledge of different programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, .NET, etc. which differentiate you with others. In our series of Tuesday, Saturday interview questions for C, C++ and other languages, we provide a set of questions on every Saturday and Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. We are posting another set of C and C++ interview questions which will help you to crack any technical interview in any big company like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, etc. So let's start. Our first question in today's set is, can we declare a static function as virtual? What is our question? Can we declare a static function as virtual? Answer will be no. Why? The virtual function mechanism is used on a specific object that determines which virtual function to call. Since the static functions are not any way related to the object, they are related to classes, they cannot be declared as virtual. This is very important question. Can we declare a static function as a virtual? Answer is no. Simple answer is the virtual function mechanism is used on the specific object that determines which virtual function or which version of virtual function to call, since the static functions are not anyway related to objects. Why? Because they are belonging to a class, not an object. They cannot be declared as virtual. Any doubt you can ask me. Second question, it is necessary that virtual function overridden in the derived class must have the same signature? Answer will be yes, then only it is said to be overridden. If signatures are different, so they come under function overloading. The first and the foremost requirement to override a function is their signature should be exactly same. Yes, if virtual function of a base class is overridden in the derived class with different return type or different parameter types, then it becomes a totally new function of the derived class and it comes under function overloading, not function overriding. Getting my point? Next question. It is compulsory to override a virtual function? Answer is no. Why? If we do not override the virtual function in the derived class, then what happens? Then the V table stands for virtual table of the derived class would contain the address of the base class virtual function. Again I am reading. It is compulsory to override a virtual function in the derived class? Answer is no. If we do not override the virtual function in the derived class, then the V table of the derived class would contain the address of the base class virtual function, and when the virtual function is called with the derived class object, the base class version of virtual function is invoked. This is very important. This overriding virtual function, this comes under C++, Java, Python. The concepts are exactly same in all the language. The only difference is syntax. Now if we talk about Java, in Java every class, every method of every class is a virtual function by default. There is no need to write a virtual function name. Like in C++, if you want to override a function in the derived class, you have to declare that function as a virtual in the base class. But in Java, every function or every method of every class is by default a virtual. If you want to override, the signature should be exactly same. That function is overridden in the derived class. Getting my point? Next question is, what is a stream? A stream is a general name given to a flow of data from source to destination. तो सोर्स से डेस्टिनेशन पर जब डेटा फ्लो करता है और जो जिस पाथ से फ्लो करता है, दैट पाथ इज नोन एज स्ट्रीम. दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव रिटन stream is a general name given to the flow of data. To represent different kind of data, different streams are used. For example, the standard output stream flows to the screen display and the standard input stream flows from the keyboard. In C++, a stream is represented by object of a particular class like cin and cout. Cout is an object of ostream underscore with assigned class, whereas cin is an object of istream underscore with assigned class. These are the two objects which provide a stream for input and output, input from the keyboard and output to the screen. The stream is a general name given to the flow of data. Next, fifth question, what is iterator and iteration? What is iterator and iteration? Not only the spelling is different, the meaning is also different. How? An iterator is an object that moves through the container accessing each element in the container. An iterator is an object that moves through the container accessing each element in the container. The process of moving from element to element in the container is known as iteration. Again, this is a very good question. If you give the answer that we are providing you, it will put a good impression on the panel, interview panel, believe me. Now see, this is a simple question. What is iterator and iteration? Difference between iterator and iteration. Answer will be, an iterator is an object that moves through the container accessing each element of the container. This is an iterator. And the process of moving from element to element in the container is called iteration. Simple. So if you are having any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. I will try to reply as early as possible. This is very important. VTable, VPTR, virtual function, abstract classes. These are very important topic in terms of object oriented programming, and a person who is in this field, means in programming field, should be very much confident in this topic. Getting my point? I think I should stop here. If you like the contents of this channel, please like, share and subscribe as much you can. It motivates us. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.